Hi students, in the previous classes we have learned about many concepts from aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. In the next concept, aldol condensation. Aldol condensation takes place due to the presence of alpha hydrogen atom. What is meant by alpha hydrogen atom? After the functional CH is a functional group. After the functional group, next carbon is alpha hydrogen atom and next carbon is beta. Two molecules of aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen atom. See, CHO and next carbon is alpha. So that two acetaldehydes containing alpha hydrogen atom, so they undergoes aldol condensation. Acetaldehyde one molecule, acetaldehyde one molecule. Two acetaldehyde molecules. In that, one hydrogen from a methyl group, hydrogen reacts with the oxygen of the carbonyl oxygen, and remaining CH2CHO combines with the carbonyl carbon. In the presence of sodium hydroxide NaOH, 2 forms 3-hydroxybutanol. Here, H reacts with the O to form OH, and the remaining CH2CHO attached to the second carbon, so form butanol. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 and 4th carbon. Third carbon is OH group, 3 position, third carbon containing OH group, 3-hydroxybutanol. And its general name is beta OH, beta hydroxy. Beta hydroxy butanol. Beta hydroxy butanol or aldehyde is generally called as aldol. Generally called as aldol. What is meant by aldol? ALD indicates aldehyde, OL indicates alcohol functional group. Aldol reaction. How aldol reaction is formed? When the two molecules of acetaldehydes or aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide converts into beta hydroxy aldehydes. This is called aldol or beta hydroxy aldehydes. And beta hydroxy aldehyde or aldol self condensation. It means on heating, removal of water takes place. See, CH2, one hydrogen from the CH2 and OH from the third carbon. Removal of water from the aldol to gives alpha beta unsaturated, means double bond. Alpha and beta unsaturated aldehyde is formed. Generally called alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Or generally called as propanaldehyde. Generally called as propanaldehyde. It is called aldol condensation product. How aldol condensation product is formed? Two molecules of aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of sodium hydroxide to form aldol. Aldol on heating loses the water to use aldol condensation product. And the name is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. Second and third containing unsaturated, so called alpha beta. Itself alpha carbon. Next carbon of the functional group alpha, and next carbon is beta. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, generally called propanaldehyde. It is, and IUPAC name 4 carbons, so used the word but, and 2 is the position. Second carbon containing double bond. 2 En indicates double bond. And CHO is the aldehyde. Bu2NR is the aldol condensation product. Reaction is called aldol condensation reaction. It is example for aldehydes. And the next example for ketones, how ketones undergoes aldol condensation. Example for ketones, propanone. IUPAC name of this compound is propanone, 2-propanone or propane 2-ene, generally called as acetone. These are two acetone molecules or two propane 2-one. Here one hydrogen of the methyl group reacts with the oxygen, carbonyl oxygen, and the remaining CH2COCH3 get attached to the carbonyl carbon in the presence of barium hydroxide. Remember that aldehydes undergoes aldol condensation reaction in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Ketones undergoes aldol condensation reactions in the presence of barium hydroxide. To form CH3CO, CH2, C, CH3OH, CH3. Hydrogen reacts with the oxygen to form OH. OH is the hydroxyl group. He is present in the carbon 4. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5. 4 carbon is hydroxy. 4 hydroxy. 4 carbon also containing methyl. 4 methyl and 5 carbons are there. Parent carbon chain. Maximum numbers are 5. So the longest carbon chain is 5 pentane. Second carbon containing ketone functional group 2-ONE. Complete its name. And it is also called as generally. It is a functional group, and the next carbon is alpha, and it is beta. Beta hydroxy, ketone. Beta hydroxy ketone. It is beta hydroxy aldehyde. It is beta hydroxy ketone, generally called ketol, and someone pronounce aldol. Ketol. Ketone indicates zero functional group. OL indicates alcohol functional groups. The compound containing bifunctional. One is alcohol, one is ketone. Ketol. After removal of self-condensation or unheating, removal of water. Removal of water from alpha and beta. Beta containing OH group and alpha containing CH2. CH2 I will write it as CH and H. OH plus H. H plus OH, water, removed by the self-condensation. Itself takes place. And ketol, after losing the water to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. Alpha and beta unsaturated means double bond is formed. The product is CH3CO, CH makes unsaturated double bond, and CH3. And the name is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pentane. Third carbon containing En. Fourth carbon containing branch 4 methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methyl pent 3N 2-ONE. ONE is a ketone functional group. It is the aldol condensation product. How ketones undergoes aldol condensation? Two molecules of ketones reacts with the two molecules of ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of barium hydroxide to form beta hydroxy ketones. Alpha and beta hydroxy ketones are formed. Beta hydroxy ketones are ketol are generally called aldol. Ketol self-condensation or unheating losing of water to gives aldol condensation product.